are so excited to be here today with you today to bring you all the latest news and updates from around our school.
First, we interviewed the ISPP TV students and making the episodes.
Then we look at the highlights from the grade 4 assembly, non-assembly. We will also learn about bathroom etiquette.
Next, we asked ISPP students if they prefer Owala or Stanley water bottles.
Last, we will share the answer to the riddle from last week and see a spooky riddle for October, the month of Halloween.
Today we're going to interview our ISPP TV members about what it takes to make the show. What's your favorite part about ISPP TV?
My favorite part is that I can meet my friends and the teachers, and I can learn new stuff on campus.
My favorite part is editing the video and making it look pretty.
My favorite part is mostly doing the editing because I just really like it and I think it's fun.
What did you do in ISPP TV?
I usually edit mostly, but sometimes record.
ISPP TV, we interview teachers, ask other kids questions, and we make weekly videos on YouTube.
Well, usually I edit videos and add backgrounds to the camera backgrounds, etc., etc. But sometimes, in the recent episodes, you see me on the screen.
Interview people, we come up with riddles, and we basically just update everyone about things in ISPP.
Why did you join?
Because it's fun. Just to have fun and be in ISPP TV to join an activity. Because I want to see my teacher, Mr. Ben, and Miss Olds.
When I first came to ISPP in grade 1, I saw ISPP TV and I thought it was really cool and I always wanted to join. So when I finally got to grade 4, I was really happy to join.
I joined it when I was in 4th grade, 2nd semester, and my friends joined, so I'm like, why not I join? And I joined, it turned out to be really fun, so I stayed.
Cool, thanks.
Remember not to lock the door to the back of the house. Yeah, be respectful.
Toilet paper. Ew, more toilet paper. The toilets are so disgusting, right? Yeah. We should be neat.
Now there's no more toilet paper for us to use.
Remember, only use as much toilet paper as you need. Don't play with it. Bathrooms are not for playing. If you want to play, play outside. And leave the bathroom alone.
Stanley or Owala? Stanley? Why? Because the water bottle is more big.
Owala!
Why?
Mine's my favorite color, so I love it, and I have a matching one for coffee.
Owala. Why? Because it's a water bottle.
Koala, because I don't know what a Stanley is.
What did the gardener say to the DJ? Let us turn up the beats.
Congratulations to 5EV for getting last week's riddle correct.
I have a body, arms, legs, and a head, but I'm heartless and I have no guts. What am I? Email your answer to ispppelementaryschool@gmail.com.
Thanks for joining us today on ISPP TV.
See you next time. Bye.